Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yog Ghar Se, Yoga from Home. And in this video, we are going to see what is palming for eyes. So palming is a yoga technique. It is just rubbing your hands, and when you rub your hands, you generate heat, and then you put both the palms on your eyes to relax your eyes, relax your facial muscles, which helps in reducing all the stress and tension from your body. So we are going to see three types of palming: simple palming, press and release palming, and constant press palming. So in simple palming is what is simple palming is when you rub your hands, again the heat is generated. The edge of your palm, you put it on your cheekbones here this way, and you are like, take a deep breath, complete darkness. Again, take few breaths. And relax. So this simple palming helps in releasing all the stress from your eyes muscles, helps in relaxing your eyes and calm. So when you are doing like a up and down movement of eye exercise or right to left movement of eye, then you can do simple palming. Second is press and release palming. So what you need to do, again you need to rub your hands, generate the heat, and again we are putting this edge over our cheekbones this way, and we are gently and softly pressing. We are not pressing our eyeballs, just pressing our cheekbones, the edge of our palms, and release. Press, release, press, release. So again, this is also relieving strain from your eyes, and it is also helps in your blood circulation, improving your blood circulation and relaxing your eyes muscles. So when you are practicing the diagonal movement of your eye exercise, at that time you can practice press and release palming. You can do 2 to 3 rounds of press and release palming. Press very gently. Third is constant palming. So again, rubbing both the palms, generating the heat and putting the same way. But this time we are not releasing our palms. We are just constantly putting pressure on our cheekbones with a few deep breaths, relaxing our eyes. So again, this is deep calming of your eyes, especially when you do long screen hours. And constant palming you can practice when you do rotational movement of your eyes, like a clockwise and anti-clockwise movement of your eyes. So this was all about palming. When you are having a long working hours or you have a long time on reading, long desk hours, so you want to relax your eye muscles, relax your facial muscles, reduce all. This will help in reducing all the tension from your body and helps in better sleep quality also. If you practice this before sleeping, you will have a good and peaceful sleep. So you can do this practice 2 to 3 times in a day. 2 to 3 rounds you can do. So it is also good for children, because these days small children are having specs in their eyes due to long screen hours on their mobile phones or TV. So it is good for them. Drop a comment below what you like in this video and what you didn't like in this video. Also comment below in what topic you want me to make yoga videos in future. I hope you like this session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Yog Ghar Se.